We are about to watch a professional tree climber do something that I would not want to do. And he was out front in front of the beach just a few minutes ago and going up almost as high as the entire building. But obviously we need to take the coconuts off all the coconut palm trees so that we don't have an accident. This is something we have to do on a yearly basis. And I found out today that when the coconuts are green, that means they're usable and they will drink out of a green coconut. So I would not be surprised today to see them take a chainsaw, cut the top off, and pour the juice right into a container of some sort and drink it. They also take it home and make ice cream out of it. Okay, I'm about to show you two coconuts, and do you mind cutting them open with a saw?
Okay.
Saw. Open them up.
Yeah, give me.
So what they do is they just take their saw and they will save a lot of time and energy just by doing it the way they're going to do it right now. The outer laying of the coconuts are fairly thick, and to open them it takes quite a bit of effort. Alright, now I'm going to pass it right to one of our guests.
Thank you.
And he will take that home, or I'll take it back to his condo and enjoy it.
Oh yes, what do you do? Just dump it upside down and drink it? Yeah, I do. Okay. Can you clean it up over here? Please?
So now we're waiting for the taste test.
Yeah. Oh, and open it?
Yeah. Alright.
Wow.
I hope it tastes good.
It's all right.
All right, have another taste just so we can see it.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
That's a first.
That's great. Now, your name is?
Patrick.
Patrick, from Eastham, Massachusetts, which is down on the Cape Cod.
Yes.
Been there many times. It's an absolutely beautiful area. Spectacular beach. Patrick, thank you.
Boy, thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.